Okay, strategies for home. This is for you, parents. Establish routines. Routines are key, especially bedtime routine. I can't stress that enough. A bedtime routine is key for the brain, cognitive development, stress, emotional regulation. If you have a schedule, it creates formality. They know what to expect, right? Using visuals, of course, I kind of talked to you about that, where it's needed, right? If you have really young ones at home, those could be helpful. If you have your teenager at home, big stop sign. Did you take out the trash, right? Or did you walk the dog today, right? Do not leave until you do X, Y, and Z, right? Instead of a text, because I know we have 4 kids. Hey, can you wash the dishes today, right? And I have one that says she doesn't see the text messages, right? So then it creates this little bit of tension, right? Versus making sure they see it. And then modeling executive functioning skills. Most families that have a child that has executive functioning difficulties, they got it from somewhere. Okay, there is some gene and components in here. I look at my kids and I'm like, I work at this every day. I know where you got it from, right? Like, so you can't remove yourself, all right? So if you're making your child work on executive functioning, make sure you're working on it too. Do it as a team. Say like, I need to work on this, and you have these things you need to work on. Let's partner up. Let's talk about it, right? Yeah, it was really hard. I forgot to set my alarm this morning. I was late for work. This is what I'm going to do different. How did that writing assignment go for you today, right? Make it a collaboration versus this negative thing.
Hi, this is Jessica, and I would like to thank you for watching. I do hope you found it helpful to your life situation. If you ever wish to talk about our wild programs, please reach out by contacting me through my email address or our contact form on our website. I do hope you are having a wonderful day.